I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the years, and let me tell you something about Carnival Sunshine that might surprise you. This ship has one of the most dramatic transformation stories in the cruise industry. Originally built as Carnival Destiny back in 1996, she underwent a massive renovation in 2013 that completely changed her personality. What makes this ship fascinating is how Carnival took a 20-year-old vessel and turned it into something that feels surprisingly modern. The question everyone asks me is whether an older ship can compete with today's megaships. After spending time aboard Carnival Sunshine, I've got some honest answers for you. Let's start with where you'll actually be sleeping, because your stateroom can make or break any cruise experience. Carnival Sunshine offers 4 main categories of accommodations, and each tells a different story about value and comfort. The interior staterooms are your most budget-friendly option, typically running about 185 square feet. Don't expect luxury here, but you'll get a comfortable bed, adequate storage, and a private bathroom with shower. These rooms are perfect if you plan to spend most of your time exploring the ship rather than hanging out in your cabin. Ocean view staterooms bump you up to around 220 square feet and give you that all-important window to the outside world. There's something magical about waking up to ocean views, even if the window is relatively small. The extra space and natural light make a noticeable difference in how the room feels. Balcony staterooms are where things get interesting on Carnival Sunshine. These rooms offer about 230 square feet of interior space plus a private balcony. The balconies aren't huge, but they're perfect for morning coffee or evening drinks while watching the sunset. Just remember that lower deck balconies might have partially obstructed views. The suites represent the ship's premium accommodations, offering significantly more space and upgraded amenities. You'll find larger bathrooms, separate seating areas, and priority boarding privileges. Some suites even include access to exclusive areas of the ship, though don't expect the same level of luxury you'd find on premium cruise lines. Now let's talk about something that can make or break your cruise experience: the food. Carnival Sunshine offers an impressive variety of dining options that go well beyond the typical cruise ship buffet experience. The main dining room serves as the heart of the ship's culinary program, offering multi-course meals with rotating menus throughout your cruise. The food quality is solid, though not exceptional. You'll find familiar favorites alongside some more adventurous options, and the service is generally friendly and efficient. C-Day brunch in the main dining room deserves special mention. This isn't your typical hotel breakfast buffet. We're talking about a proper sit-down brunch experience with items like eggs Benedict, fresh pastries, and bottomless mimosas. It's become one of my favorite cruise traditions. The Lido Marketplace serves as the ship's main buffet, and it's been completely redesigned to feel more like a food court than a traditional cruise buffet. You'll find different stations serving everything from Asian stir-fry to classic American comfort food. The variety is impressive, though quality can be inconsistent depending on timing and popularity of specific dishes. Guy's Burger Joint, created in partnership with celebrity chef Guy Fieri, serves some of the best burgers at sea. These aren't your typical cruise ship burgers. The patties are hand-formed, the toppings are fresh, and the flavors actually pack a punch. The donkey sauce alone is worth trying, even if you're not usually a burger person. BlueIguana Cantina brings authentic Mexican flavors to the ship with made-to-order burritos, tacos, and fresh salsa. The ingredients taste fresh, and you can customize your order exactly how you like it. It's perfect for a quick lunch or late-night snack. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse represents the ship's premium dining option, requiring reservations and a cover charge. The steaks are properly cooked, and the atmosphere feels more upscale than the rest of the ship. However, don't expect the same quality you'd find at a high-end land-based steakhouse. Bonsai Sushi offers fresh sushi and sashimi, though the selection is somewhat limited compared to dedicated sushi restaurants on land. The quality is decent, and it provides a nice change of pace from the heavier dining options elsewhere on the ship. The Red Frog Pub serves as both a casual dining spot and the ship's craft beer headquarters. You can grab fish and chips, wings, or other pub favorites while sampling Carnival's own Thirsty Frog red beer, which is actually brewed on board. The atmosphere is relaxed and perfect for watching sports or socializing. When it comes to pools and outdoor spaces, Carnival Sunshine offers several options that cater to different preferences and energy levels. The ship's pool deck layout maximizes the available space while providing distinct areas for various activities. The main pool area centers around a large swimming pool that's perfect for cooling off but not serious swimming. The surrounding deck space includes plenty of loungers, though finding a prime spot can be challenging on sea days. The atmosphere here tends to be lively and social, especially during pool games and activities. The adults-only Serenity adult-only retreat provides a quieter alternative to the main pool area. This space includes its own pool, hot tubs, and dedicated loungers in a more peaceful setting. It's located away from the main traffic flow, making it ideal for reading, napping, or simply enjoying some adult conversation without children running around. Multiple hot tubs are scattered throughout the ship's outdoor areas, offering relaxation opportunities with different views and crowd levels. The hot tubs near the main pool tend to be more social, while those in quieter areas provide a more intimate experience. The outdoor movie screen, part of the Seaside Theater, allows you to watch movies under the stars while lounging by the pool. This feature has become increasingly popular, and arriving early is essential for securing good seating during popular movie showings. Carnival Sunshine's activity offerings reflect the line's commitment to keeping guests entertained throughout their cruise. The ship provides options for various energy levels and interests, ensuring there's something for everyone during sea days and evening hours. The fitness center offers modern equipment with ocean views, making workouts more enjoyable than your typical gym experience. The cardio machines face large windows, so you can watch the ocean while burning calories. The weight equipment is adequate for maintaining your routine, though serious bodybuilders might find the selection somewhat limited. The jogging track encircles the ship on an upper deck, providing a scenic route for runners and walkers. The track surface is rubberized and comfortable, though it can get crowded during peak hours. Early morning runs offer the best combination of cooler temperatures and lighter crowds. The basketball court doubles as a volleyball court and serves as a venue for organized sports activities. The crew regularly organizes tournaments and games, creating opportunities for guests to socialize while staying active. The court's location provides ocean views, making even pickup games feel special. Rock climbing walls offer a unique challenge with different difficulty levels suitable for beginners and experienced climbers. The safety equipment is well maintained, and staff members provide instruction for newcomers. It's surprisingly popular with both kids and adults looking for an adrenaline rush. The mini golf course provides a fun family activity with a nautical theme. While not as elaborate as courses found on newer ships, it offers entertainment value and photo opportunities. The course design incorporates ocean views, making even a simple game feel more special. Video arcades and table games provide indoor entertainment options for various ages. The arcade features both classic games and newer options, while table games like ping pong offer social entertainment opportunities. The spa and wellness facilities on Carnival Sunshine focus on relaxation and rejuvenation, though they operate more as a business than a luxury amenity. Understanding this approach helps set appropriate expectations for spa services and pricing. The Spa Carnival offers a full menu of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and beauty services. The treatment rooms are comfortable and private, and the staff is generally skilled and professional. However, prices are significantly higher than you'd pay on land, so budget accordingly. The thermal suite provides access to various heat and steam experiences for an additional fee. This includes saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers. If you're a spa enthusiast, the thermal suite can provide good value, especially on longer cruises where you'll use it multiple times. Fitness classes are offered throughout the cruise, ranging from yoga and pilates to high-intensity interval training. Most classes are complimentary, though some specialty classes may require fees. The instructors are enthusiastic, though class sizes can vary significantly depending on the day and time. The salon provides hair, nail, and beauty services with mixed results. Some guests report excellent experiences, while others find the quality inconsistent. Booking treatments early in your cruise provides more scheduling flexibility and better availability. For families traveling with children, Carnival Sunshine provides dedicated spaces and programs designed to keep younger guests entertained while giving parents some relaxation time. The kids' facilities reflect Carnival's family-friendly approach to cruising. Camp Ocean serves children ages 2 to 11 with age-appropriate activities and supervision. The space is colorful and engaging with different zones for various activities like arts and crafts, video games, and quiet time. The counselors are energetic and seem to genuinely enjoy working with children. Circle C caters to tweens ages 12 to 14 with activities designed for their specific interests and energy levels. This age group can be challenging to entertain, but the program includes video games, movies, and social activities that seem to keep them engaged. Club O2 provides a dedicated space for teens ages 15 to 17, complete with music, games, and social activities. The club has a more mature atmosphere while still maintaining appropriate supervision. Late-night activities give teens something to do while parents enjoy adult entertainment. The kids' pool area includes smaller pools and water features designed specifically for younger children. The depth and size are appropriate for little ones, and parents can supervise easily from nearby loungers. Safety features include non-slip surfaces and clear sight lines. Family-friendly staterooms and connecting rooms make traveling with multiple generations more manageable. Some staterooms include bunk beds or sofa beds to accommodate larger families without requiring multiple rooms. The ports of call and shore excursions available through Carnival Sunshine vary depending on your specific itinerary, but the ship typically sails Caribbean routes that showcase some of the region's most popular destinations. Eastern Caribbean itineraries often include stops at islands like St. Thomas, St. Martin, and Barbados. Each destination offers unique attractions, from duty-free shopping in St. Thomas to beautiful beaches in Barbados. The variety ensures that different family members can find activities that appeal to their interests. Western Caribbean routes frequently visit Cozumel, Jamaica, and Grand Cayman. These destinations offer excellent snorkeling and diving opportunities, cultural experiences, and adventure activities like ziplining and cave exploration. The ports are well developed for cruise passengers, making independent exploration relatively easy. Shore excursions booked through Carnival provide convenience and peace of mind, though they typically cost more than independent alternatives. Popular options include beach breaks, cultural tours, adventure activities, and food and drink experiences. Excursions are generally well organized, though group sizes can be large. Independent exploration is possible at most ports, and many experienced cruisers prefer this approach for greater flexibility and cost savings. However, you assume responsibility for getting back to the ship on time, which requires careful planning and awareness of local transportation options. Now for my overall assessment of Carnival Sunshine, because every ship has strengths and weaknesses that potential cruisers should understand before booking. This ship occupies an interesting position in Carnival's fleet as a renovated vessel competing with newer builds. The ship's greatest strength lies in its variety of dining and entertainment options relative to its size. For a vessel that's not among Carnival's newest or largest, Carnival Sunshine packs impressive amenities into its available space. The dining diversity rivals much newer ships, and the entertainment programming feels fresh and engaging. The renovation quality deserves recognition, as Carnival successfully transformed an aging vessel into something that feels contemporary. The public spaces flow well together, and the design choices create distinct atmospheres in different areas of the ship. You don't constantly feel like you're on a 20-plus-year-old vessel. Value represents another significant strength, as Carnival Sunshine often offers lower pricing than newer ships while providing many similar amenities. For budget-conscious cruisers who prioritize experience over having the newest everything, this ship delivers solid bang for your buck. However, the ship shows its age in certain areas that renovation couldn't completely address. Some staterooms feel cramped compared to newer vessels, and the overall layout can feel congested during peak times. The ship simply wasn't designed for some of the crowd flow patterns that modern cruising demands. Service quality can be inconsistent, ranging from excellent to merely adequate depending on the specific crew members and departments. This isn't unique to Carnival Sunshine, but it's worth noting that service standards aren't uniformly high throughout the ship. The pool deck can feel overcrowded, especially on sea days when everyone wants to be outside. The ship's capacity relative to outdoor space creates competition for loungers and pool access that can be frustrating during peak times. What truly sets Carnival Sunshine apart from other ships in its class comes down to several unique features and experiences that you won't find elsewhere in the fleet. These distinctive elements often become the memorable highlights that guests talk about long after their cruise ends. The ship's size creates an intimate atmosphere that's increasingly rare in modern cruising. With fewer passengers than megaships, you're more likely to see familiar faces throughout your cruise and receive more personalized attention from crew members. This creates a community feeling that many guests find appealing. The Red Frog Pub's onboard brewery represents a unique feature that sets Carnival Sunshine apart from most other cruise ships. Watching the brewing process and tasting beer made at sea adds a special element to the cruise experience. The pub atmosphere encourages socializing and creates a gathering place for guests with similar interests. Sea Day brunch has become a signature experience that guests specifically look forward to on Carnival Sunshine. The quality and presentation exceed typical cruise dining standards, and the relaxed timing allows for a leisurely meal that feels special rather than rushed. The ship's Caribbean deployment means it offers some of the most consistent weather and itineraries in Carnival's fleet. You can book with confidence knowing that weather delays and rough seas are less likely to impact your cruise experience significantly. For business travelers and groups, Carnival Sunshine offers meeting facilities that can accommodate various corporate and social events. The conference rooms provide professional environments with ocean views, making business meetings more enjoyable than typical hotel conference rooms. The ship's event spaces can be configured for private parties, weddings, and other celebrations. While not as elaborate as dedicated event venues on land, the ocean setting and professional planning services create memorable experiences for special occasions. Audio-visual equipment and catering services support both business and social events, with staff experienced in managing shipboard logistics. The unique venue often makes events more memorable than similar gatherings in traditional locations. Throughout my time researching and experiencing Carnival Sunshine, several guest stories and experiences stand out as examples of what makes cruising special. These moments often define the cruise experience more than amenities or facilities alone. Many guests report exceptional service recovery when things go wrong, with crew members going above and beyond to resolve issues and create positive memories. Whether dealing with dining problems, stateroom issues, or missed excursions, the staff often surprises guests with their problem-solving creativity and genuine care. The ship's smaller size allows for more personalized interactions with crew members, who often remember guest preferences and names throughout the cruise. Bartenders remember drink orders, dining room staff recall dietary restrictions, and housekeeping crews leave personalized touches that make guests feel special. Surprise celebrations for birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions frequently exceed guest expectations. The crew's attention to detail and willingness to create magical moments often turns ordinary cruises into extraordinary memories that guests treasure for years. Many families report that Carnival Sunshine provides the perfect balance of activities and relaxation, allowing different family members to pursue their interests while still spending quality time together. The ship's layout encourages both group activities and individual exploration. Carnival Sunshine represents solid value in today's cruise market, especially for first-time cruisers or those prioritizing budget without sacrificing experience quality. While she may not have the bells and whistles of brand-new megaships, she delivers a complete cruise experience with character and charm that many guests find more appealing than impersonal floating cities. The ship works best for cruisers who appreciate variety in dining and entertainment, enjoy a more intimate ship atmosphere, and value the proven reliability that comes with a mature vessel. If you're looking for the newest innovations in cruise technology or the most spacious accommodations, you might want to consider newer options in the fleet. However, if you want a well-rounded cruise experience at competitive pricing with the reliability of a proven ship and itinerary, Carnival Sunshine deserves serious consideration for your next vacation.